Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Backup now to iCloud or to your computer so you can restore if needed. Next, open Settings and go directly to General, then VPN and Device Management. Tap the iOS 26 beta profile and choose Remove. Once done, restart the iPhone to allow the device to clear the beta flag and check for official updates. This step forces the system to stop receiving developer-only builds and prepares it for the next phase. You now move to reinstalling the public release. Connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC with current Mac OS or iTunes. Make sure the cable is reliable. Put the device into recovery mode or DFU mode for a deeper wipe. Follow model-specific button presses and wait for the connection prompt. Then choose Restore in Finder or iTunes, which downloads and installs the latest public iOS. This replaces developer beta firmware with the stable release, so the device exits the beta channel. You finish by restoring your backup or setting the phone up as new. Verify that apps, preferences, and sign-ins are working correctly. If the Restore or Restore Image verification fails, make sure to retry recovery or DFU mode, swap the USB cable or port, and reboot the computer. These hardware fixes often resolve transfer errors. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. They can run diagnostics and apply official restore tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.